The National Weather Service in Amarillo has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Armstrong County, southeastern Randall County, eastern Carson County, southwestern Gray County, western Donley County, until 5 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:03 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles north of Wayside to 14 miles east of Eagle Park, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to roofs, siding, and trees is possible. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Howardwick, Panhandle, Lake McClellan, Wayside, White Deer, Claude, Groom, Clarendon, Greenbelt Lake, Goodnight, and Palo Duro Canyon. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Texas: Armstrong, Carson, Donley, Gray, and Randall. The National Weather Service